Hey guys, how are you? It's been a while since I last talked to you like this. Well, hang on. Let me see a little bit better. I thought I will give you a little bit update as to what's been going on. So, a lot has been going on. I'm not sure if I actually shared that in the previous video, but after I moved back, I started taking driving lessons and I was very excited for it. And then a very unfortunate accident happened, a very little accident and not in the car, luckily, but at home it was very silly. I broke my toe in my right leg. It takes me a long time to do something because of how slow I'm moving. Oh, hang on. Hi. It is taking me some time, so time is actually passing really fast when you're making breakfast for an hour or taking a shower for an hour and a half because you have to prepare everything and try not to kill yourself. As for work, what I can do now is mostly admin work, and that's what I've been doing, and that's great actually because I do have a little backlog, so that's what I can do now. And I've also been shopping for some gemstones. I know I have a lot of gemstones, but I was looking for very specific ones because I have a very specific idea and design, so I've been looking for some. In the meantime, I've also been watching this TV show, well, series of on Netflix called Trapped, and it's an Icelandic series. They speak Icelandic, the action is on Iceland, so I love it. It's really great if you're a fan of, what is it, kind of like a murder mystery, dark theme. Yeah, it's pretty good. That's what I've been up to at home. I had to pause my driving lessons, which I was and still am very bummed about, but nothing I can do. I might be able to resume in mid of December, January, we'll see. I will go and check my foot again, but I've been to one checkup already and I can walk again a little bit, very gently with crutches, but I don't have to jump everywhere and I am definitely more mobile now, and so I'm very excited because I can now spend more time in the workshop. So I'm back today and I started working on a little collection, and I've got several pieces actually, and they are not connected. So some are for moon open rings, some are for amber little collection, and I'm just wondering how I should go about it, in what order I should release it. So I think I'll be figuring that out today. I will also be putting some other designs together, picking some gemstones. Yeah, so that's the job for today. I hope that you've been doing well and you've been staying safe and you're all right. Let me know in the comments below how you've been, because I think it's been a while since I've heard from some of you. So if you have some updates or, you know, or anything, just anything, if you want to, you know, chat a little, drop a comment below, and I would love to hear from you what's been, you know, going on with you. With the workshop, I am still waiting for IKEA to restock the trolleys, kitchen trolleys, and I'm gonna get the wooden one and the smaller one, and I'm gonna put the rolling mill on it, some of the heavier tools, disc cutter and things like that. I am also waiting for a couple more items that will arrive, and then I will be able to use more tools around this workshop. Same with the Smith's little torch, and I've been learning how to set it up and everything. More tips and tricks videos are coming. I've already put together a list of the tips for a next video. I just have to film it and I'm very excited for them. I think you will like them too. I also have some tutorials. A couple more collaborations will be happening, so I'm just waiting for some stuff to arrive for one very exciting collaboration, and I will be doing a tutorial with this product. it's a turquoise. So I'm very excited. I also made some purchases on Instagram, gemstone wise. So I know you haven't, you have been asking my opinion about shopping on Instagram for gemstones, and I will finally have some experience to share with you. So I'm in Poland right now, and shipping to Poland takes time. Well, it does everywhere, but customs, like my orders are being kept in customs for quite a while. So I'm still waiting for these orders. Once they arrive, I will share with you everything and my experience, and also I'll show you the quality of these gemstones. I will tell you where I bought them from, so I hope that will be interesting. So that's a little update I wanted to share with you, and now I'm gonna go and start working on upcoming pieces. So now I am learning how to use these stepped bezel wires. These are sterling silver. I want to practice a little bit, and then I have planned to make a video to show a tutorial how to use these. These are from Steve. He got me 2 different sizes, which is so kind of him, and I'm finally trying to use them and see what I can use them for, like how I could use them. I think I'm going to have to anneal this so it's softer to work with, and yeah, after I learn how to use it, I will make a tutorial and show you how to use it. Good morning. I'm having a little breakfast now, and Jarek will take me to the workshop in a second. Hiya! I am now in the workshop, and now I'm going to work on these bezels. That's the job for now. Hang on. Yep, so I'm watching Bailey Sarian right now. She'll be talking about Golden State Killer, who's been finally convicted and discovered after 40 years. Am I right? 40? 4 decades, yeah. So that's really interesting, and that's what I'm gonna do now. Let's get to work.
Belly to belly, face to face. Those eyes you take me to the start. Sweetheart, sweetheart. See me through and you polish me up. Oh, I feel brand new. Your street dog eyes anticipate me. I'm a kid again in a vibrant light.
I'm not too excited about how the studio looks like right now. There's still a lot to do. It's a work in progress. Like I mentioned a few times, I'll be getting plants to put on the shelves, and I don't even know if the shelves will stay where they are. And obviously the bench, it's currently there because it's like a lot of light, and it's also very accessible and it's easy to film, but I'm also thinking about changing some things. And once the trees lose their leaves, people from the building will be able to see me here. And in the winter, obviously, I'm going to have to use the light, and that makes me feel uncomfortable. So I will get the blinds to put on the window here, because I don't want to be seen in my workshop, especially, you know, that creepy feeling where you don't see outside, but the outside can see you. Yes, so I hate that. So that's why I'm gonna get the blinds. I've noticed one thing. So this is supposed to be white, and to the naked eye, it is kind of white, but actually on all of the photos and videos, it gets a little bit purple. I took a close look. And guys, it's not white. It is like very, very pale purple. And you'd be surprised, but this is actually the shade that I hate. So I'm really, like, I'm stunned that I haven't noticed this before. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might actually go and paint it like white, because I really hate this purple shade. And I don't like how it looks like on the video either. Okay. So now that's all. Bye.